High above the clouds, in the upper atmosphere, lies a rare and electrifying weather phenomenon known as red sprites. These crimson flashes of light occur during thunderstorms, reaching heights of up to 60 miles into the atmosphere. Unlike typical lightning, which strikes downward, red sprites shoot up from the tops of thunderclouds, creating a breathtaking display that lasts only a fraction of a second. Their eerie, otherworldly glow has mystified scientists and skywatchers alike. Are these red sprites a glimpse into the mysteries of our atmosphere, or is there more to discover?